Tony sees a truck so green and bright, shining wheels and morning light. Big smiling face says hello, ready to clean the city below. Wow! Garbage truck feels so right. Tony climbs with happy cheer. Big truck door is open near. Steps are shiny, fun and tall. He feels excited, ready for all. Hey, let's go, adventure is here. Tony sits and holds the wheel, feeling joy that's truly real. Buttons glowing, colors bright, ready for a cleaning ride. A Tony drives, what a deal. Truck is moving down the street, cleaning mess with steady beat. Trees and people smile with joy. Tony helps every girl and boy. Cleaning city feels so sweet. Robotic arm goes up so high, picking trash beneath the sky. Bins are lifted one by one, cleanup work is so much fun. Pick the trash, passes by. The street is shining clean and bright. Everything looks pure and right. Tony smiles with happy face, helping clean city better place. Clean city, pure delight. Colors sorted left and right, paper, plastic, clean and light. Tony learns what waste should be, helping nurse stay fresh and free. Recycle time, so fun and bright. Big truck drives to station gate, carrying waste that must not wait. Machines are working all around, clean new system can be found. Dump it, helps the city great. City sparkles clean again, no more dust or dirty stain. People clap and cheer for Tony, smiling bright and feeling funny. Big great job, joy remains. Sun is glowing warm and low, clean streets beautifully show. Tony waves with proud delight, city shining pure and bright. Her clean city hero steals the show. Tony sees the world so gray, trash and smoke are in the way. He feels something's wrong, but he stays strong. He will save the day with a broom in his small hand. Tony makes a cleaning plan. Step by step he goes, everyone now knows he will help the land. Picking trash from ground below, Tony works both fast and slow, putting in the bin with a happy grin. Clean starts now to show, sweeping roads so nice and clean, making everything serene. Dust is gone away, bright becomes the day, best it's ever been. Dirty water now turns clear, Tony cleans it with great care. Fish can swim again, happy once again. Life is coming near, tiny trees begin to grow. Tony plants them row by row. Green is everywhere, fresh and clean air. Nature starts to glow, sorting waste the proper way. Tony learns it every day. Plastic, paper too, he knows what to do. Recycling saves the day. Sweeping roads so nice and clean, making everything serene. Dust is gone away, bright colors everywhere, fresh and clean air. Dreams have come true, animals return with cheer. Birds and butterflies are here. Nature sings again in the sun and rain. Joy is very near. Tony stands so proud and bright. He has made the world so right. Clean and green we see, happy earth will be shining in the light.
Boys are lying on the floor. Tony says no mess no more. Time to clean and to restore, learning habits we adore. Clean like never before. Pick them up one by one. Cleaning toys is lots of fun. Tony smiles when he is done. Shiny room for everyone. Job well done. Wipe the table nice and slow. Watch it shine and softly glow. Tony learns and starts to know. Clean habits help us grow. Let it show. Trash belongs inside the bin. Keeping clean is how we win. Tony throws it with a grin. Clean world always begins from within. Brush your teeth both day and night. Keep them shiny, clean and bright. Tony smiles with pure delight. Healthy habits feel so right. Sparkle white. Soap and water scrub away. Wash your hands throughout the day. Tony laughs while he plays. Clean hands keep germs away. Hip hooray! Dirty clothes go in the bin. Clean ones make us fresh within. Tony learns with a grin. Neatness always wins. Let's begin. Sweep the floor, make it neat. Move the dust from your feet. Tony works with steady beat. Cleaning makes the room complete. Nice and sweet. Room is clean and shining bright. Everything is just right. Tony smiles with delight. Clean habits give us light. Happy sight. Wave goodbye with happy cheer. Good habits bring us near. Tony smiles ear to ear and bright all through the year. See you, dear.
Tony sees a messy place. Trash is scattered in every space. He looks all around. Junk is on the ground. Worry on his face. Bins of colors stand so bright, teaching what is wrong alright. Plastic, paper too, sorting what to do. Sorting what to do. Learning feels just right. Plastic bottles go one way. Tony sorts them every day. Clean and nice and neat. Simple little feet. Simple little feet. Paper sheets and card today. Paper sheets and card to do. Fold them nice and do. Fold them nice and flat. Put them just like that. Clean and fresh like new. Bins of colors stand so bright, teaching what is wrong alright. Plastic, paper too, sorting what to do. Sorting what to do. Learning feels just right. Metal cans go clink and clang. Tony sorts them with a bang. Into bins they go, now he surely knows. Learning feels so grand. Glass is handled with great care. Tony shows he's very aware. Gently place inside, gently place inside. Safety is his guide. Shiny, clean and fair. Friends all gather round to see. Tony shows them happily how to sort it right, make the future bright. Teamwork sets it free. Old things turn to something new. Magic happens right on cue. Toys and tools appear, making smiles cheer. Dreams come shining through. Park is green and clean once more, better than it was before. Birds and flowers grow, fresh winds softly blow. Nature we adore. Tony stands a hero bright, making everything feel right. Recycle every way, future shining light. Tony wakes up ready to go, with a bright vest and a happy glow. He says, let's clean the city today, helping people in every way. Helping people in every way. Tony starts his mission slow and pro. Tony walks down the busy street, picking trash to make it neat. He smiles while doing his kind heart, helping others feel so sweet. Tony sees bins red, green and blue. Sorting trash is easy to do. He puts each waste in the right place, a big smile on his happy face. Tony learns something new. Tony hears the truck roll near. He watches it with joy and cheer. Trash is collected all around, clean streets and no more sound. Tony cleans the park so green, making it fresh and super clean. Kids come out to laugh and play. Birds are singing all the way. Nature looks like a dream scene. Turning old waste into clean machines. Bottles, paper get a new start. Saving Earth with his smart heart. He loves all eco-clean scenes. Tony wears his safety gear, standing proud without any fear. I will help the world today, a little hero standing here. Tony sprays water on the ground, dust goes away with shining light. Everything looks clean and bright, fresh and happy all around. People clap and cheer for him. Tony's smile is bright and dim. Thank you, Tony, they all say. You made our city bright today. Happiness is on every rim. Tony stands with proud delight. City shining, sunlight bright. Garbage truck behind him gleams.